welcome to another episode of Richmond Public Library's Full Steam Ahead. My name is Nicole, and I'm the teen librarian over at the East End Library. Today we're going to be doing a craft that will appeal to kids, tweens, or teens, and that is upcycled planters. So let's get started. Alright, so in order to make our planter, we'll just need a few things. We're going to need a 2-liter bottle, empty. We'll need some white paint for the base coat. We'll need another color of paint for any details. I chose this light blue, but you can choose like a pink or a yellow if you want to. We'll need some Mod Podge. We need a big brush and a little brush, a pencil, Sharpie marker, some scissors, and you'll probably want some newspaper to lay down because we'll be using paint. Alright, so let's get started on the first step. Alright, so for our last step, we're going to go ahead and put something into our planter that we made. So to do that, we'll just need some rocks. You can use kind of gravel or any kind of rocks that you have available to you. That's for drainage. I already put some in mine. You need just about like an inch and a half on the bottom filled with rocks. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill it with some dirt. Until we're about at the top. I'm gonna pack it down a bit. And I decided to put a couple little succulents in mine because they're you can pretty much grow these indoors or outdoors, and they're very hardy, so they're really easy to grow. And so you take your finger and you'll just make a little hole in there and put one, and I'll put the other, and then you just move the soil back in there. You might want to put a little bit more in, depending on how secure they are. So just put a little bit more. And there you go. So now you've got your planter filled with some little plants. And like I said, you can use anything you want. You could use herbs if you wanted to. You could do seeds. But yeah, a little kitty planter. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Full Steam Ahead with Richmond Public Library. I hope you enjoyed making your upcycled planter, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!